Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Korean fried chicken. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So you need chicken with the skin. I'm gonna use the Korean chicken frying mix. To brown the chicken, I'm gonna use buttermilk, cayenne pepper. For chicken seasoning, I'm gonna use chicken powder, salt, onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and MSG. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brown my chicken with buttermilk for about 3 hours or overnight. For chicken seasoning, you will need 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Give it a mix. After browning, you want to wash your chicken to get rid of the excess of the buttermilk. And then after that, you want to use your seasoning. And then you can massage your chicken with your hand. You want to marinate this for at least 30 minutes. In a mixing bowl, you want to put 1 cup of your chicken frying mix and 1 cup of cold water. Now mix it. This is the consistency you want. Add your chicken into the batter. And then use your hand to coat the chicken. Now grab a container with the lid. This one has a lid. And you want to lay on the bottom with your frying mix. And then add your chicken. Sprinkle some on top. Close the lid. And then shake it really good. And then this is what it looks like. When your oil reaches 170 degrees Celsius, you can start fry your chicken. You're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just take out your chicken. We're gonna rest this for about 2 minutes and then we're gonna go for double fry. After it rested about 2 minutes, we're gonna do it second fry. This time is only for 3 to 5 minutes, depending the thickness of your chicken. Fourth minute pass, so I'm just gonna remove it. And I'm gonna drain the excess of the oil. After resting 10 minutes, we're gonna open this guy. And as you can see, this is still juicy and it's became very tender. Alright, so this is it, the Korean fried chicken. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.